So at the bottom of the heart of the product is the steel. It is very important the kind of steel which we use, the quality of the surface finish, the chemical composition, the hardness, and of course the sizing. As you will see around me, tons and tons of steels. It is QC checked. Each of the coils which we have is carefully marked. It is batched. These baby coils are cut out of a mother coil which is bought from the main producers. We check the chemical composition, shear strength, and we also take the test certificate from the large manufacturers of steel. And the baby coils arrive here and they are stored and they are tested before they are put onto and loaded onto these machines for production. Here we see that the steel coils are loaded onto what we call a roll forming machine. So these are very high-end imported machines. Very careful, the roll design, the roll quality is very careful done. Number of punching stations what we have. So that makes the accuracy of the holes. This is the outer cage or the outer member of the slide. These are the punches which are happening here. The quality control on this is very, very important to get it dimensionally very correct in microns. Hence the quality of the steel, the thickness of the steel, the dimensions has to be very, very accurate. Here we come to the location where we are making the ball cage. The tools of this ball cage machine press is very, very important, and we are getting a very high quality product here. Here is the holes where the balls will go. That this tool is very accurate, the grade of the material is very proper, and this is already a galvanized sheet which is used here. This is the tool workshop. You can see that there are so many tools which are carefully stacked, labeled, and which are going into those punching machines. Ozone is one of the few companies which have their own captive tool room.
ये टूल रूम हमने इसलिए बनाया है क्योंकि हमारे को पहले बाहर से टूल्स वगैरह लेते तो उसमें हमें दिक्कत रहती थी। सबसे पहले दिक्कत आती थी क्वालिटी, जो हमारे ओजोन स्टैंडर्ड्स को मीट नहीं करती थी। सेकंड वन थी कि उसकी हमारे को टाइम का दिक्कत आती थी कि हमारी टाइम डिलीवरी सही नहीं होती, तो उस चीज़ों को हमने टैकल करने के लिए और अपने ओजोन स्टैंडर्ड्स को मीट करने के लिए हमने यहाँ पे एक टूल रूम इस्टेब्लिश किया है और कुछ क्रिटिकल मशीन्स वगैरह भी लिए हैं, जैसे कि हमारी वायर कट मशीन्स और बाद में मिलिंग मशीन है, लेथ मशीन है, जिस पे हम अपने टूल्स बनाते हैं, रॉ मेटल वगैरह परचेज करते हैं। रॉ मेटल में भी हम लोग इम्पोर्टेड मटेरियल यूज करते हैं जो ताकि हमारे टूलों की लाइफ बनी रहे और ये सारी चीज़ें होती रहे। बाकी कुछ चीज़ें थी जैसे कि हमारे को अपनी टीम बनाने के लिए हमने अलग अलग सोर्सेज के थ्रू हमने वैलिड एक्सपीरियंस टीम बनाई है, जिसमें किसी लड़के का एक्सपीरियंस 10 साल है, कोई टीम हमारे पास एक 15 साल के एक्सपीरियंस, 20 साल के एक्सपीरियंस वाली एक वेल ऑर्गेनाइज टीम है छोटी सी टूल रूम के लिए, जो कि हमारी ओजोन फैमिली को सर्व करती है ऑन द पर्पस ऑफ टूलिंग।
This is a fully automated plant. It's a zinc plating plant, ensuring high quality corrosion resistance to the slide. Slides come in two variations. One is black CED painted and the other is zinc plated. So Ozone is one of the very few companies who has all the plating and CED in-house, because we want to control the quality of our final product and in a consistent manner. So our painting lines and plating lines are fully automated, and we use the finest quality of zinc and the paints and the colors to ensure the proper corrosion resistance. Here we have a full chemical laboratory where we test the chemicals which are going into the plating processes so that the proper strength is maintained. Corrosion resistance is one of the most important features in which goes into the slide so that it functions properly, it doesn't catch rust. The telescopic slides are also called ball bearing slides because these are the balls which go into that. Balls reduce the friction and provide the sliding movement. We just don't put any ball in any slide. These are ball sorting machines because we have to measure them on the micron level. The balls, they should be matched with the right section, the right case, and to ensure the smooth movement. There is no wobbling. We not only buy the best quality of balls which are plated to a high degree, the chemical composition of these balls are also strictly checked, and then accordingly they go here and sorted into different bins so that they will be used in the assembly lines. There are also plastic parts which are there. So the right material, right grade of plastics need to be used to give you a proper result. These plastic parts are tested. They are of high quality and high precision. And because they are of high precision, they are able to get into a fully automatic assembly line. Now the heart of the soft close lies in this dampener. This is a double action, double spring dampener with a high quality pneumatic cylinder. So the cylinder is what ensures the soft closing. It is tested and it gives a life cycle of 50,000 cycles, which is tested. So welcome to the Ozo lab. So it's also not that we just claim that our product is of quality. We have to ensure the testing of the products, the materials, everything which goes on. So we have multiple telescopic slide testing machines. So here we are also testing the final product, all the materials, the different functions of each of the materials, the chemical properties of all the materials. This is a spectrometer which analyzes the steel composition. This is the hardness tester. We are also checking the quality of our packaging, which gives the bursting strength. If you will note that Ozone, apart from the other testings and certification, we are ANSI tested for our telescopic slide. The team has all the standards laid out. These are not only standards, but these are also testing methodologies which are laid out, and a very qualified team to bring each and every product to you for your kitchen, for your furniture, for your home. This is the final product what we get. This is the labor or the result of such a big complicated operation.
Fittings by Ozone makes the world go, oh.